Please like the video, subscribe to the channel and click the bell notification for instant updates.
Hello all, welcome to Free Tree family. Today we're going to talk about three important functions for text manipulation, especially name manipulations, and how to get proper name arrangement. For example, a name has to have the first letter in capital and all other in small. So how to format that we're going to see in this particular video. Alright, so before we go, a short explanation. So the first function we will be seeing is upper function, which converts all the text, no matter how they are, jumbled with small and capital, into complete capital as shown in this particular explanation. Second one we're going to see is the lower, which converts whatever the text, be it capital or small or mixed, into complete lower or small letters. And the third function is the star of the function. This will make our life much easier, which will convert any character in any mixed way from small, capital, in whatever be the sequence, to a proper way that is very similar to how a name has to be given. For example, the first letter has to be capital and all other have to be small. The first letter is capital after the space and all is small. So this is what we're going to see. So let's delve right to it. So here we have a name, for example, Loveta Terrain, it's all in small. So you want to convert this to upper, it's very simple, is equal to upper, and you select the text. It's very simple. Again, the second one is completely in capital, you want to bring that to lower, so you can put lower and then select the text. That'll be easy, right? Now, the same thing can be extroverted. For example, if you want to just copy and paste it, it's going to give lower also. So this is very simple, upper and lower. So in the previous versions of Excel, we used to, for example, if I want to do something like only the first letter has to be capital and all others have to be small, so I have to manually go get the upper of the text, that is left text comma 1, and then this along with mid comma this comma 2 comma len comma this, mid comma c2 comma len. Oh, okay, sorry, this upper the before, so yeah, and this upper has to only apply to the left function. And yes, so this is what we used to be doing to get the proper format where the first letter is L. So this is a bit complicated, right? And then to get the last name also with the capital, we have to add another big bunch of formula. But now all this is simplified in the modern Excel, where you have literally a function called proper. You select the text, ta-da! It shows exactly in a proper way. It's even pretty easy to remember. You just say proper and you select the function proper. So you just click and drag it. No matter how screwed up the function's name, the function will sort it out for you. Can be all capital, can be all small. The result is a proper first capital, all small name. It can even be mixed. For example, you see here, I can make A capital. It's still going to give the proper way. So this is a very useful function called proper. You can use it for formatting the names, and it saved a lot of time for me with the recent version of Excel. Once again, thank you for your time. Please do like, share and subscribe.